Welcome to the Daily Message. Today, our litany of prayer for those most acutely affected by the coronavirus pandemic continues. Today, I want to offer up, or ask us all to offer up our prayers for those who work in our supermarkets, the checkers, the stockers, the baggers, those men and women who are also on the front line, who are working for low wages at high risk so that they can put food on their tables and so that we can have food on our table. We pray for them. We pray for their health and their safety. We pray that their families as well will remain safe and will be spared from the coronavirus. And so for all of those who work in our supermarkets, pharmacies, and all other essential places of business, we pray to the Lord.